Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Crowned K here, aka Kim, and if you're new to my channel, now would be a good time to click that subscribe button as well as clicking that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload. And if you've done that, let's get into this video. So we're starting out with our hair in like two little sections at the top, and I'm gonna have a braid down the middle, and also we're gonna have a little ponytail in the back. We have to do our hair in sections, and the front of the hair, after putting that little braid down the middle, you're just gonna pull one of the sections out and be parting it into little sections, which we will fasten with rubber bands. For those sections, I chose the shape of little triangles. They're not really triangles, but I was trying to get triangles. This doesn't have to be perfect because we're gonna connect them together. So if triangles aren't your thing, you can do any other shape that you would like, and I'm just going over that with some not edge control. I'm going over that with some beeswax edge control, some raised edge control. This edge control didn't really hold my hair. I don't like it. I won't be using it again. I was trying to use this edge control as well as a wetline gel instead of my usual, but I'm definitely going back to my Style Factor edge control and also my Ampro gel. But today was an experiment to see if this gel and edge control would work, but it didn't really hold my hair. So as you can see, I'm going in, parting my hair into smaller sections, and I'm twisting the ends just because I have natural hair and I don't want it to be like frizzy. I'm twisting my ends, and I'm continuing getting the hair into sections and putting the edge control as well as the gel, and I'm putting it in the rubber bands. Please don't pull the rubber bands too tight. I did that with mine and I kind of gave myself a little headache. I got carried away because I like my hair really neat, but you don't have to pull the rubber bands tight. And as you can see, I'm going in and I'm just twisting the ends, and you're just going to keep parting your hair into the smaller sections until you have finished the whole top of your hair. And then you're going to go in and do this on the other side of your hair. Yeah, and this made my arms hurt. And guys, I'm doing my hair at 1:30 something a.m. in the night. Like, I got home from work and I decided I need to get my hair done, and I stayed up and I did it. I was really tired this whole video. If I look like mad or anything, I'm not upset. I'm just tired, and I was really trying to be a trooper and get this hair video done so you guys could have a tutorial. Now that everything is in sections, we're just gonna connect each part with rubber bands and just put it in whatever little design that you want. I don't even know if my design looked that great, but I was really trying to get a little design in. And then I pulled everything up all together and brought the sides up to the middle so it could meet where I could have a half a ponytail, and then I will proceed to bring the back up into that ponytail, so we will have one final ponytail. It's like the little braiding sections is going to be a half a ponytail, and then the back will come up and be the other half of the ponytail, if that makes any sense to you. But you can see what I'm doing. I hope you understand. I'm not really good at describing, but I hope you understand. Now that we finally have one side up, I'm gonna go in and try and copy what's on the other side. I'm gonna try and copy it on the other side. It doesn't have to be the exact same, but I tried my best to copy it. And then I'm just gonna go in with some water because I was doing my hair for a while, so it wasn't damp anymore. And you know my process of getting my hair sleek, so I did that, parted my hair in sections, like really small sections, added the edge control in between. But guys, I really do not like this edge control. It did not do much for my hair. Like, at first it seemed like it was holding it, but by the time I was done with my hair, it was not sleek. And you know, I get my hair really sleek. This edge control did not do it for me, so Murray's beeswax edge control is out. I'm never using it again. And then I went in with the extreme wetline gel, but this gel made my hair so wavy. You know my hair is always sleek. This gel made it so wavy. I will not be using this gel in terms of doing anything sleek anymore. I'll try and use it for a wash and go, but never again with trying to get it sleek, because it just made my hair wave up like waves on swim, sis. And as you can see, I'm just catching that up, and I'm going to put the upper half of the ponytail into that one, if that made sense. Yeah, I'm pulling it out and I'm putting everything together. So now we have one ponytail. And for the sides that I left out, we're gonna make 2 little braids at the side. I've never done braid with braiding here before, but I decided to try, and I wanted 2 little braids at my sides coming down. Yes, so that's my attempt at making the braids. I think I pulled my hair too tight, but it didn't look bad. It didn't look bad for someone who doesn't braid. So it didn't look bad. I did my best. You know, maybe you can braid better than me. But yes, now we're going to have our 2 little braids at the sides. And I know at first this hair looked really crazy, but you're going to see how it's going to come together. You have to trust the process. And now we're gonna go in with shake and go jumbo braid, and this braid comes with two sections, and we're just taking one of those sections, and you know my little trick, I'm attaching it with a rubber band to my own ponytail, and then I'm going to create a jumbo braid. I'm going to create a plait. So I'm just gonna go in and braid that hair into a plait. Don't do the braid too tight, because when I did mine, I plaited the hair too tight, so at first my bun was really small. So you might want to do the bun a little bit looser, and then, you know, just gonna pull the braiding here out. I tried pulling it out, but it was so tight, so it didn't really fluff up. So I'm just gonna pull it out a little bit and get some bobby pins and use that to cover my own hair, as well as to secure the braiding here. And then I'm just gonna wrap it around into a bun. And what I did a few days later, I pulled the braiding here out and I made the plait looser and gave myself a bigger bun. But for now, the bun wasn't really big because I plaited the hair a bit too tight. But as you can see, I'm wrapping the hair around, and then we have our bun, and I secured it with bobby pins. And now for the fun part, we're gonna go in with these gold decorations, and I'm just adding those little gold clips. I don't really know what they're called, but I got it at my beauty supply store, and I'm just adding those over the rubber bands, and it covers the little rubber band, so the hairstyle just looks seamless and really cute. It adds all the flair to the hair, and I really loved how it turned out. And we're just gonna add those clips on either sides of the hair and cover the rubber band so everything will look nice. And then I added those little spiral thingies to the ends of my hair, and yeah, now that the hair is done, I use my laid silk tie to tie my edges down. And guys, at this point it was like 3 o'clock in the morning and I was so tired, so I just tied my hair down and I went to bed. And this is the next day, guys. My hair looked so cute, and I was late for work, so I couldn't really flex on y'all. And then this is 3 days afterwards, when my hair was a little bit more loose, and I love it. Like 3 days later, I loved it more when my bun was bigger. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next one. I love you guys so much. Bye bye.